Patrick at Pals. We're back with Jim, and he's pulling it. He's got his puller, pulling the snap ring off so that he can get the hub off. Folks, this is always harder than it looks.
This has a unique designed one on it. I've never seen one like this.
And you know, that's so common. We get vehicles, and they can be the same year, but yet they have different configurations on the back. You can see that is just being a pain to come out of there. Now, of course, we're going to replace this with a new hub. There's the seal right there. That's the snap
lock ring, yeah.
That's the lock. So now we've got that apart. And that's, you know, what this runs on is a tube. You can see the tube on the inside, folks. Jim is checking this out.
Oh, no, I gotta try to get this little guy out of here, and they
Got a little bit of a keeper right there.
That keyway, and they do not like to come out.
That keyway is going to be tough. You've got to get a pin in there to kind of pull it. But this is what keeps the truck brakes and from coming off of the vehicle. You've got the snap ring, but you've also got the keeper. Jim's got a screwdriver in there trying to get it. And folks, this just takes time, but it has to come out or the vehicle won't come out. We've got a magnet we're working with now.
Yeah,
and the problem is it's metal all the way around.
Well, this one in here too, though, it fits so tight. Might not be able to get it out with a magnet. It took me about 2 hours to get the one out on the other side.
Wow!
Because it fits so tight.
But of course, we want these to fit tight because we don't want them to come off. However, when we're going to service them,
this is supposed to keep that thing in there. It should keyway in there, but keyway keeps itself in there pretty good too.
It works.
Hey, the right one. Thank you.
So we got the right seals. Now we'll just continue on getting this out. Folks, we'll come back after Jim gets this out. If you've got a heavy-duty truck, bring it to Pals. We're equipped to handle it. See you soon.